Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo, and in this video you're going to be learning the song A Thief in the Night by Josiah Queen. This song is a little bit challenging, but not too challenging. Depends where you're at as a guitar player. If you guys would do me the honor of liking and subscribing and leave a comment, like those things, y'all don't understand, like sharing the videos, it really has been changing everything. And maybe in the future I would be able to do this like full-time, YouTube. It would be crazy, but no pressure if you will feel inclined to subscribe. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get this started. We're gonna be playing this song in the key of A with capo on the 2nd fret. We're gonna be playing G shapes. There are a few chords that are a little different, but I'll see what we can do, right? So the song go ahead and starts off with the intro. I'm gonna go ahead and play it. And then you go into your verse. So the chords we're going to be playing are going to be your C chord. And then you're going to go ahead and play a D7. Like I said, these chords are a little bit different. So your C, play it first. And then you're going to go ahead and do, which is your D7. It's kind of like your D chord, except it's backwards. Your index is on the 2nd fret. 2nd string to the bottom, and then your middle finger up 1 fret, 2nd fret, and 3rd to the bottom string, and then your ring finger is going to be that very bottom 2nd fret. Should sound like that. And then we're going to go ahead and play our G chord. Okay, and then we're going to play a G major 7 chord, which is kind of like your G chord, but you're sliding this, right? So think of your G chord, but you're gonna drop your ring finger, you're gonna slide it down to the 2nd fret. Everything else stays the same. And then you're gonna go into your E minor, okay? And then it's gonna go back to your C, and then back to your D7, and then back to your G. You could do it with your pinky if it feels easier. It's up to you, whatever you feel comfortable. You're just sliding it down, just about the bottom. And then after you do that, G major 7, E minor, you're gonna go ahead and play G6 over F sharp. I'm telling y'all this is some weird chords, but you just move that E minor, you move it up. Okay? And then after you play that, you're gonna go A minor, and then to your D. Those are gonna be your chords for the verse. And I built a home up on a hill. I raised up my walls and I raised my defense. I bolted the door, I settled in, brought with my riches my dearest of friends. Let no So that is the verse as best as I could get it. I know I kind of messed up towards the end there. Like I said, it's a lot of chords, but it's not hard to play. It's just, you just gotta learn them, remember them. Also, take into account the time signature is 6/8 on this song. It's not 4/4s. So we're gonna be doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. So take that into account. I don't know how my seat went down. That's weird. Anyways, like I said, time signature, please do not be playing 4/4s. We're gonna be doing C to your D7 to your G, G major 7, E minor. So that's a very quick switch. G, G minor 7, mean G major, I keep saying minor. G major 7, so it's G, G major 7, E minor. Then back to your C, back to your D7, G, G major 7, E minor. To your G6 over F sharp, which is just your E minor going up. To your A minor, to your D. That is your verse right there. And oh, by grace, broke into my life, I took all my vanities, unprepared. What I thought was mine was lost in a blind robbery. So it's pretty much the same progression. You start off with your C. Oh, by grace, you broke, A minor, broke into my life. So A minor, D7. I guess it's slightly different. So we start with the C. Oh, by grace, broke into my life. And then to your D7, right? To your G. G major 7 to your E minor. Same as the verse. The camera down a bit so you guys can see. Fast switch between G, G major 7 to the E minor. Unprepared to your C. What I thought was mine to your D. This is a regular D. Was lost in divine robbery. Same G, G major 7, E minor. If I look a little uneasy, it's because my leg keeps falling asleep. Carrying this guitar is actually pretty heavy, so subscribe. Anyways, unprepared, what I thought was mine was lost in divine G major 7 to the E minor. Divine robbery. And then you're gonna move your E minor up to that G6 F sharp, the holiest heights, A minor, to your D7, by a thief in the night, right? So that ends the chorus part. So verse 2 is pretty much the same as verse 1, so we're not going to go over it. But after the verse 2, it goes back into chorus, and it does the chorus twice, and then the song ends. Yeah, that's pretty much the song. Thank you so much for watching to this point. Thank you for our subscribers that recommended this song, requested this song. You guys are greatly appreciated. I love making these videos. It's a blessing to be able to serve you guys. And if you want to watch more content like this, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. It really does boost this channel out. And let me know what y'all guys think of these new videos I've been making. I've been doing more, talking videos where I talk about different topics of worship and, building your confidence. That's one of my next ones I've been working on. And also too, be sure to check out the chord chart that I created. It's brand new. I made it exactly the chords, the exact ones I use here. So it would really be beneficial for you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.